All right, so here we are being asked, in which major key does this harmony function as the submediant? There's a number of terms in this question, and I just want to go through them. I guess I chose to be slightly pretentious in the way I asked this question, so bear with me. Harmony is just another term for chord. So we're trying to figure out the harmony, we're trying to figure out the chord. Function as the submediant. This is a fancy term that we don't use very much in practical music making, but submediant means the sixth chord or the sixth scale degree of whatever key you're in. So in a nutshell, we are being asked, how does this chord, or in which key does this chord function as the sixth chord? Okay, and so let's figure out our notes. We are in treble clef, so the clef tells us that the second to the bottom line is the note G, and if we use our alphabet to count up and down, we're going to figure out that the lowest note is an F sharp, then there's an E, then A, C sharp, and then another F sharp on top. Okay, so at this point, what we need to do is try to stack the notes into thirds as best we can, and that's going to tell us what the root of the chord is, and then we can figure out the quality of the chord, if it's major, minor, augmented, diminished, whatever. So the best way to do that is to have F sharp as the root of the chord, and then a third above that is an A, a third above that is a C sharp, and then a third above that is an E. So this is some kind of F sharp chord. If you look at the intervals, or the number of half steps between each of the notes, F sharp up to A is 3 half steps, so that's a recipe for a minor third, so little M3. A up to C sharp is a major third, it's 4 half steps, so that's a big M3. And then C sharp up to E is also a minor third, it's 3 half steps, so little M3. So this combination of thirds, a minor third plus a major third plus a minor third on top of that, is the formula for a minor 7 chord. So that's what we have here, an F sharp minor 7 chord. Now we have to figure out in which major key does an F sharp minor 7 chord function as the 6th scale degree, or the 6th chord. The best way to do that, I think, is just to use your alphabet and count down. We'll say F is 1, and then we're just going to go backwards. So below F is an E, so that would be 2. Below that would be a D, that's 3. C, this would be 4. Below a C is a B, that would be 5. And then a 6 would be A. So the major key in which F sharp minor functions as the 6th chord is A major.